Arithmetic series. An arithmetic series, as opposed to a sequence, is the sum of an arithmetic sequence, i.e. we add the individual terms. Of course, you could write out every term and add them together, but that could take a long time, so instead there are two formulae to use. The sum of the first n terms is n divided by 2 and then multiplied by the contents of this bracket, which is twice the first term, and then n minus 1 times the common difference. We can also do this as Sn is n over 2 a plus l, where in this case l is the last term. So a is the first term, as usual, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms that we want to add up, and in this formula l is the last term. We may or may not know that in a given question. The formula used is up to you. Sometimes you'll prefer to use one, and sometimes you'll prefer to use another. So, for example, if I was given 10 add 13 add 16 add ... and then I was told that I want 10 terms, I can find a, d, and n is given to me straight away, so I tend to use this formula. I don't know the last term. I could work it out and then use this formula. But if I was given 10 plus 13 plus ... plus 19, so this time I'm given the last term I'm adding up, then I can use the nth term formula to work out how many terms there are, so that gives me n, but I've got a and I've got l, so I tend to use this formula under those circumstances. Remember that your CAS can do this for you. We've looked at it in several of the examples and we'll have looked at that in class. But you'll need to know the formula in order to show enough working to gain 4 marks. This is on the usual basis that if a question has 1 or 2 marks, you can just do it on the calculator, but 3 or more marks you need to be showing working, otherwise you can't be given all of the marks.